Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing both devices. This avoids needless retries. First, charge the Tmax above 20% and power it on because low battery can block pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer and keep devices within about 3 meters to maintain a strong signal. Next, press and hold the Tmax power button for roughly 5 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly. This forces pairing mode. Now look for the device name on your phone. Proceed when you see it. You should now select the Tmax entry in your Bluetooth list. Tap to start pairing because the phone initiates the handshake. If a PIN prompt appears, confirm the code or accept the pairing request. Do it within about 30 seconds, otherwise the attempt will time out. Once paired, make sure to open the Tmax Companion app if your model uses one, since it may finalize profiles or install a small firmware update. This step enables advanced features and improves stability. You finish by testing audio playback and control functions to verify the connection. Set Tmax as the default output in sound settings if required, so audio always routes correctly. Once confirmed, enable Auto Reconnect on your phone to streamline future connections. If you encounter issues, restart both devices and attempt pairing again. Often a quick reboot clears conflicts. If problems persist, reset the Tmax pairing memory, then repeat the pairing process. This clears past entries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.